With the new S Pen for the Samsung Galaxy Note 4, sensitivity and accuracy have been pushed up a notch, providing you with a more enhanced writing experience. I was impressed with the precision I could achieve with the S Pen, and it's certainly the best handwriting experience I've had on a smartphone. The Galaxy Note 4 is able to keep even the smallest of words legible, and reproduction of strokes on screen is instantaneous, so you keep the natural flow of your writing. Of course, it still isn't the same as writing on actual paper, and I found it a little tricky taking notes while holding the Note 4 in my hand. It's a lot easier to place it on a flat surface and scrawl on it as you would a piece of paper. The S Pen isn't just for writing though, you can also use it as a replacement for your finger, allowing you to move apps and files around the phone with ease. The S Pen is still a very divisive feature, with some Note users swearing by it while others find themselves ignoring it most of the time. Click the button on the shaft of the S Pen and the Air command menu will appear on screen, allowing you to jump into Action Memo, a floating S Note window, Smart Select, Image Clip or Screen Write. Both Smart Select and Image Clip allow you to highlight a particular section of the display, with the former able to recognize any text in your selection while the latter allows you to pull out an image and save it to your scrapbook for use later on. I found their use is relatively limited day to day, although they were fun to play around with, and for some they will be useful tools. Screen Write potentially has a wider scope of use, allowing you to annotate the screen you're viewing, be it a map, text message, picture or just the home screen. Once edited, you can then share the finished article via social media, email, text message or just save it for a later date. With a selection of different drawing tools you can generate a variety of effects using the S Pen, which is much better than your finger when it comes to precision editing.